Today our topic is alternative dispute resolution. So sir, my first question is, what is alternative dispute resolution?
Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Alternative dispute resolution has three words: alternative, dispute, and resolution. Now, alternative means alternative to the legal system, alternative to the court. And dispute means there is a difference of opinion. And resolution means settlement. So alternative dispute resolution means resolving the disputes outside the court.
Okay, yes.
And it has a four main features: negotiation, mediation, conciliation, and arbitration.
Okay. So what is the scope of ADR?
See, the scope of ADR is the scope of disputes. Now, as soon as the person takes birth, the disputes also takes the birth. If we recall our school days, there were disputes with our friends. Those were resolved by our teachers or our parents.
Right.
We used to fight with our the friend in our next door. And when we grew up in the business, the disputes are there. After a person get married, there are disputes within the family. Or when the family grows, there are disputes. So disputes are there everywhere. Person has to look for a dispute and a solution provider to the dispute. There are 3 crore plus cases pending in various courts.
Okay.
And chartered accountants can make those cases zero pendency by alternative dispute resolutions, by advising to the parties to the dispute that please settle it. In non-settling, the both sides are losing.
Very rightly said. Sir, the next, whether CAs are active in ADR or not?
Chartered accountants, I would answer both way, yes and no. So the chartered accountants number who are active in ADR are very, very less. Our current population is say 330,000 at national level. And to my understanding, there may be 20,000 chartered accountants very active in ADR. I think the scope is so much like, negotiation is where the parties to the dispute themselves resolve the dispute. Mediation is where one is advisor on both sides. And now at a country level, we have a mediation rules, and there is a mediation center to each court. So Taluka court, district court, high court, and there are mediation centers at various trade chamber. So if one completes 40 hours training in mediation, one becomes a mediator. And at the global level, the first dispute at the World War level first was through mediation and through negotiation. The Treaty of Versailles, which took place in city Versailles in France, was mediation.
Super.
The first international court was ADR court. So we have a legislation in our country which is 1899. As we know that the first law of the country is 1855. We had a Government of India Act 1919 and 1935, and before that, after the 1857, the Britishers thought, for the India, they need a separate council. So we had a Fatal Accident Act 1855. Then we have a Indian Penal Code 1860. So and ADR is one, if the parties to the dispute. So in one of my, I think earlier talk, I have said if Dipti has to receive 10 crores from me, and she says, no, you are rendering services to the profession, I am happy with 1 crore. Court cannot say ki why you are settling a receivable of 10 crore with 1 crore. Mia Bibi Raji, to kya karega Kaji? Kaji can't interfere. So parties to the dispute has a absolute right the way they want to settle their dispute.
Freely, they can, as per their convenience on
Except,
both sides,
there are few disputes which cannot be settled, especially where there are criminal offenses.
Right.
Where the prosecutor is the government and not an individual party. So if a murderer says, I will give 50 crore, you withdraw the case, the family of the individual who has been murdered cannot withdraw the case.
Cannot withdraw. Right, very rightly said. So how we chartered accountants can accelerate our services in ADR?
See, we chartered accountants should know the value of our services. We are like a family advisor, even if our client does some engagement of a son or daughter of the client, he will come to the chartered accountant, whether this proposal be accepted or not. Similarly, there are various business disputes. Unknowingly, we resolve them. So we need to be aware that this is a valuable service of our ADR we are providing to the client, and make a settlement agreement and try to resolve various business disputes so that client do not litigate. So we can scale up our services by becoming empaneled at various places. So when I give my name for empanelment to an arbitral institution or to a mediation institutions, it is not a soliciting of professional work. What I am saying is, there is a panel with you, please keep my name on the panel. And we should undergo some course. There is a very small act, the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. So this act has 87 sections now with the amendment and 7 schedule. There was 8th schedule, but by an ordinance in 2020, 4th November 2020, that schedule has been repealed. And afterwards, on 11th March 2021, we have an act confirming the ordinance. So earlier, there was a 10-year requirement by 8th schedule, 10 year in practice. So now a CA on the first day can be an arbitrator, can be a mediator, can be a conciliator. Conciliation is just under the law, part 3, section 61 to section 81. So that part says what we do a mediation work, if it is done under the act, it becomes a conciliation work.
Okay.
And mediation and conciliation will be final only if the both parties to the dispute agrees, and they only, it is a improved form of negotiation in the presence of a professional.
Advanced version of negotiation, improved advanced.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, sir, for enlightening us on this topic.